Hello student, we will read a poem today from our main course book. This is the section C, and the name of the poem is actually Makkavity the Mystery Cat. In this poem, student, we are going to read the poem about a cat, and this cat is what? This cat is actually a mystery cat, and its name is what? Its name is Makkavity. So student, I hope you understand what the word mystery means. Mystery means something which is mysterious, जो रहस्यमय होते हैं. So actually student, in this poem we will read about a cat whose name is Macavity and Macavity, and it was actually a mystery cat. How it was a mystery cat, we will get to know as we continue the poem. And this poem is actually, student, written by T.S. Eliot. You should make a habit of remembering the name of poet also, because in sometimes in examination it becomes important, and it's always in the poems. It is very essential to understand the poem from the poet's point of view. What the poet was thinking when he was writing that poem, what his mood was, how, what he wants to say. Whenever we read any poem, we have to understand that according to the poet's point of view. So poet is also important. So this poem written by T.S. Eliot, the name of the poem is Makkavity the Mystery Cat. It is the cat, the name of the cat is Makkavity, and it is a mystery cat. That's what we have to read. Now student, this is a humorous poem. And what does the humorous poem mean? That you have to understand. Humorous poem means to say that student, a poem which is full of humor. A poem which is, or a something which is full of humor is actually known as humorous. It means full of comedy and comedial. This is a poem which is full of comedy, or a thing which can make you laugh, a laughable poem, a humorous poem, हास्यास्पद, काफी हंसाने वाली. And this poem is about what? About a clever cat whose name was Macavity. This cat was called Macavity. So it was the name of the cat. The name of this cat. Look at it, student. This is the cat. This is the ultimately your Macavity, and it is called as Macavity. And this cat was very clever. It was a clever cat. So now, student, let's read how this poem is a very humorous poem, full of humor, humorous, comedial. How this is a comedy poem. When we will read this, then we will get to understand that. So now let's read the first stanza of the poem, written by T.S. Eliot. Maccavity's mystery cat. Makkavity is a mystery cat. That's what it's written. Makkavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defeat the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Student, this is a rhythmatical poem also, and in this poem, the rhyme scheme is very simple, AB and CD. So actually, that is why the paw word is actually rhyming with the word law, and despair word is actually rhyming with there. So this is a rhythmatical poem which you can read in this way. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defeat the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity not there. So actually, student, that's an interesting start of this poem. I will explain you the first stanza and then all the remaining stanza one by one, and we will see the hard words also at the same time tomorrow.